Hello! I'm going to show you how to embroider a smile using mouline made of 6 strands and needle with a large hole. Let's draw a smile using the vanishing marker. If you want to make exactly like me, I have prepared 3 patterns for you. They are available in the description of the video. Just cut it out. Put this pattern on base page. Draw this part with vanishing marker. And here from the bottom of the nose to this place. And now let's prepare the mouline. Insert one end into the needle hole and pull. Connect both ends of the mouline. Cross in this way. And insert one end inside. Then tie it. Cut off the ends. Insert needle with mouline from the bottom where the smile ends. Pull all the way until a knot is left at the bottom. Then insert from the top about 5 mm farther on the smile end. Pull down the needle. Then insert needle from the bottom about 5 mm farther from the last hole on the smile line. Pull to the end. Then insert from the top into the previous hole. And pull down. We repeat these steps until we reach the end of the smile. Try to insert the needle at even intervals. And now cut off the needle. Grab the ends of the mouline with your right and left hands. Cross them. And insert one end inside. And tie it. Cut off the ends. Let's embroider this fragment in the same way. The embroidery smile is ready. If you want to know how to embroider a twinkle in the eye, watch the video that is now appearing on your screen. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.